Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 15th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 1st of August 2024, our system has identified Intel as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of negative 2.18. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 28.78%. This equates to an average loss of 2.62% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides at the lower end of a very broad and descending trend in the short term, which may present a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $18.24 is breached, it will first indicate a more pronounced decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 19.32% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 28.88% to positive 26.22%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a negative 19.25% change over the coming year, with a potential return between negative 26.86% and positive 72.13%. This translates to a price range of $15.13 to $35.61 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Intel. The Intel stock price experienced a gain of nearly 4% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 15th of August, 2024, rising from $19.92 to $20.69. During that day, the stock fluctuated by over 4%, reaching a low of $20.23 and a high of $21.06. Notably, the price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, marking a decrease of nearly 29% for this period. However, trading volume increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 28 million more shares were traded than the previous day, bringing the total to 84 million shares, amounting to approximately $1.74 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $51.28, while the lowest was $18.84. Currently, the price is around 60%, or $30.59, below the 52-week high, and over 70%, or $48.60, below the all-time high reached on January 24, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $69.29. Intel's stock is currently facing significant fluctuations, fueled by a mix of market dynamics and strategic decisions. Today, reports indicate a potential blood-in-the-streets buying opportunity, as investors might see this as a moment to capitalize on Intel's ongoing turnaround story. The recent bounce in the semiconductor sector is also supported by positive retail sales and decreasing unemployment claims, which could drive short-term optimism for Intel. However, not all news is favorable. Intel's recent missed opportunity to partner with SoftBank on a new artificial intelligence chip has raised concerns about its competitive edge in the rapidly evolving semiconductor landscape dominated by NVIDIA. This setback, along with the decision to sell its stake in ARM Holdings, signals a struggle to maintain its position in the burgeoning artificial intelligence market. These developments have already led to a dip in share price and could continue to impact investor sentiment negatively. In the long term, if Intel can effectively navigate its cost-cutting efforts and refocus its strategy following these setbacks, there may still be potential for recovery and growth. However, without a clear path to reinvigorate its innovation pipeline, the stock may continue to underperform against rivals. The market's perception of Intel as either a value buy or a laggard will largely hinge on its ability to execute on its strategic initiatives in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 5th of August, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Intel a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Macquarie gave Intel an outperform rating while also suggesting a hold. Additionally, Goldman Sachs rated Intel as a buy, accompanied by a hold recommendation. RBC Capital assigned Intel a sector perform rating and suggested a downgrade. Finally, BMO Capital rated Intel as market perform with a hold stance. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as a buy as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have issued a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Intel. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 7th of August, 2024, and so far it has risen approximately 9%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot has been established. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the short-term trajectory. The Intel stock currently carries a buy signal according to the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this indicates a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $28.90. Conversely, if it declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $19.95. A breakout above the long-term average will generate an additional buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce another sell signal, reinforcing the overall trend. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal from 7 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 11 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Looking at the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 97 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 105 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $20.11, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant fluctuations during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved 83 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 4.10%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 4.27%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Intel, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. Additionally, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 24th of October, 2024. Analysts currently estimate a loss of 2 cents per share. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel stands at $21.48. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before making an entry. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a significant point for swing trading. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $20.11. Should this support level remain intact, it may present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of August, 2024, Patrick Gelsinger conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Patrick Gelsinger conducted another insider purchase of 7,500 shares of common stock. On the 31st of July, 2024, David Zinsner conducted an insider purchase of 6,503 shares of common stock. On the same day, David Zinsner conducted an insider sale of 3,225 shares of common stock. Also on the 31st of July, David Zinsner conducted an insider sale of 6,503 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that insider power is positive with a ratio of 1.029. Overall, insiders purchased 453,394 shares and sold 439,116 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss set. Is Intel stock a good buy? Intel presents several negative indicators, and we anticipate that it will continue to show weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 16th of August, we expect Intel to open lower, declining by 3 cents, starting at $20.66. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important to note that you should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.